Hey guys, it's Sunnie. So I went to Morrisons the other day and I bought something that gave me an idea for a Frappuccino that I really wanted to make. Also, my cat is here. This is Luna. You like barely ever see her in videos because like she doesn't really come to me that much. But today she wants to love me. Luna, come up. Come up. Come up. She doesn't want to. Come up. Come up. Be closer. Luna, come up. She usually like jumps up on me, but she doesn't want it today. Anyway, as you can tell from the title of this video, this is going to be called the Chocolate Caramel Frappuccino. So obviously this is going to be a coffee Frappuccino, but if you don't like coffee or you don't drink it for whatever reason, just leave it out. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I got for this. So I have a blender cup for, blending everything together. I have some of this stuff, which is chocolate caramel sauce. This is what I bought from Morrisons that gave me the idea, by the way. And I also have some Swedish Glace vanilla ice cream. And I have some soy milk, some coffee, and some whipped cream and chocolate sauce to go on the top. Oh, and by the way, you can use any milk you want. I'm just using soy milk and soy ice cream because I don't eat dairy, so yeah. This is the finished product. I just came into my bathroom because it's like bad lighting, but I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my god, it's so good. It's really thick, which is nice. It tastes like, you remember when I made that caramel frappuccino before? It tastes like that, except this one's vegan. So good.